Hi everyone! For today's video, it's going to be a brown smoky eye look. So if you're interested to see how I did this look, then please keep on watching. First off, mag-a-apply ako ng primer. I will be using L'Oréal Paris Mattifying Primer and applying it evenly all over my face. And then, I'm proceeding with my foundation. I'm using L'Oréal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. And i-blend ko siya using my sponge beauty blender. Next is the concealer. I'm applying it underneath my eyes, sa chin, and sa forehead. And I'm going to blend it in with my beauty blender. And then I'm taking my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. I'm taking the shade called Puree. And I'm using a floppy brush and blending this to my crease as my transition color. And then I'm taking the dark brown color called Summer Yum and I'm going to apply it onto my eyelid. Then I'm taking the black shade called Tempting and I'm applying it to the outer V of my eye and then kinda dragging it a little towards the middle of my eyelids as well. Then I'm taking this Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette and I'm taking the rose gold shade from the palette and apply that on the inner half of my eyelid. Then I'm taking black liquid eyeliner and this is one of my favorite eyeliner by the way. Just applying it on my upper lash line, creating a simple wing lang naman. Now it's time to curl my lashes and then mag-a-apply ako ng mascara. And yung mascara na gagamitin ko is the Benifit Real Mascara and I will put on lashes as well. And then, I'm using the BYS eyeliner pencil. I'm just lining my waterline. Next, I'm using Maybelline Super Stay Powder and i-apply ko siya all over my face. I will be using my favorite brush. Then, I'm taking Rimmel Bronzing Powder and I'm just contouring my nose. And then for the blush, I'm using Urban Decay Cherry Blush Palette and I will lightly apply that on my cheeks. And then for the highlight, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome. I'm just applying that on the high point of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, and then of my cupid bow, of course. For the lips, I have two shades right here. The first one I'm putting on is MAC Matte Lipstick in the shade Kinda Sexy. And the next lip color is from NYX. This is the cream lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. And to set my makeup, I will be using L'Oréal Paris Infallible Magic Setting Spray. And that is basically for this makeup. I hope you like it. So that is it guys for this simple brown smoky eye tutorial. Please like this video if you enjoy and please subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you again with my next video. Bye!